I was just going to show everyone how we rack out a 4 kV breaker. We pull the control power fuses first, then we turn off the charging motor. We do all that before we rack it out, just so there's no possibility of the breaker closing while we're racking it out. You want to make sure you install all the panel board screws, just in case if there was an arc flash event. It is rated to contain the arc in the cabinet. Our control power is 250 volts DC fed off of our batteries. When we're racking this out, there's 3 detents during the racking procedure, and the first one, when he stops here, that is the test position, so the tulips are not plugged into the bus at that point, but you can still operate, open and close the breaker. Before you rack out any breaker, you want to double and triple check that the breaker is actually open. There is a flag on the bottom of the breaker that's mechanically connected to the contacts. Now we're putting in the spare breaker, and we'll close the door up again, and then once we close that door, we'll rack it in, and it's the same thing. There's 3 detents. Right now it's totally disconnected. Then the next detent would be the test position, and then we feel slight resistance when we're actually engaging the back of the breaker onto the bus. You'll see there it gets a little bit difficult, and it goes on once you expand the tulips. And then once we're done, we put the control power fuses back in. We turn on the charging motor, the breaker can charge, springs charge, and then we will call operations and release it to them. We do this for breaker maintenance on the breakers.